So we were talking about the maintenance that she has to do to this. She's owned it for 5 years. And have you had to reseal it in those 5 years?
I haven't, which is really crazy. I know it sounds a little weird, but I haven't. I actually have my uncle's a carpenter, and he's made me some wood boards, and most people know you have to mineral oil them every once in a while.
Right.
I've never felt the need or seen the need or had to oil this at all.
Okay, so the seal, now we were touching it really close. Now it's not, we don't know what kind of wood it is. We don't have the box or anything like that. So if you're all into wood and you know, great, comment below and let us know. But she hasn't seen it dry or shrink or any of the things that you can see sometimes in some of the natural butcher blocks. So as you research the type of style of butcher block that you want to do, I've actually been looking at online. There's many different ways that you can do it. I'll try to link below some of them, but if you want something that already comes together and pretty easy maintenance, this might be your solution.